In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x8024402c Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu, type in settings, and then after that, just go ahead to the right side. Click on open to open settings. And then after that, just wait for the settings menu to open up for you. Then go ahead to the left side, click on network and internet, and then go ahead to the right side. Scroll down, click on proxy. Now after you click on proxy, make sure automatically the check settings is always turned on. And manual proxy setup is always turned off, as you can see right here. So after you do that, just go ahead, click out of the settings. Then after that, just go ahead to your search menu and type in CMD, which is the command prompt. So go ahead, type in CMD. After you do that, just go ahead, click on Run. Run as administrator, which is available at the right side. Then type these commands one by one, as you can see at the screen right now. So copy each one and then paste it, and then hit enter one by one, as you can see, and then enter the third one. And now you are all good to go. Just restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.